Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have the document and the pages that must differ. Start by inserting section breaks where numbering or style changes. Click Layout Breaks Next Page at each transition. This creates independent headers and footers. Once done, turn on Show /Hide to confirm break placement so you won't misapply numbers. Make sure to save a version before changes so you can revert. This lets you experiment without risk and keeps the structure ready for unlinking and formatting number style. You now unlink headers and footers in each section by opening the header/footer and turning off link to previous. This isolates numbering. Then choose Insert Page Number Format Page Numbers to pick Roman, Arabic, include chapter numbers, or restart numbering at any value. Once configured, insert the page number field where you want it to appear. Make sure to check both header and footer on facing pages if using different first or odd/even options, so numbering appears. Finish by updating all fields so new numbers display correctly. Press Ctrl plus then F9 and scroll to verify continuity across sections. If you need a cover or front matter without numbers, enable different first page or use Roman numerals for preliminary sections, then restart Arabic for main content. If numbering behaves oddly, check that section breaks are next page type and that headers/footers aren't still linked. Fixing those two is the most common remedy and solves most misnumbering problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.